Sarah says the rectangle on the left has the same area as the sum of the two on the right. Pam says they do not have the same areas. Who is correct? Explain using numbers, pictures, and words. Draw 3 different arrays that you could make with 36 square inch tiles. Label the side lengths on each of your arrays. Write multiplication sentences for each array to prove that the area of each array is 36 square inches. Mr. and Mrs. Jackson are buying a new house. They are deciding between the 2 floor plans below. Which floor plan has the greater area? Show how you found your answer on the drawings above. Show your calculations below. Superior Elementary School uses the design below for their swimming pool. Shapes A, B, and C are rectangles. Label the side lengths of rectangles A and B on the drawing. Find the area of each rectangle. Find area of the entire pool. Explain how you found the area of the pool.